Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be making a wooden shield. Enjoy. First, I cut down some 2x4 with my chop saw. Next, I cut the 2x4 at a 4-degree angle on my table saw. I cut the 2x4s at a 4-degree angle to give the shield a curved look. Then I used wood glue to connect the pieces of wood together, and I used zip ties to secure the wood in place while it dries. Alright, so now the wood glue is finished drying, so all we have to do is trace out our template and cut it out. Alright, so I finished drawing the template. Now all we have to do is cut it out with the jigsaw. Alright, so here's the shield after I sanded it. So on the back here, I didn't go super hard sanding because I'm going to paint over it and you really won't see it, so I'm more worried about the front. But overall, the front came out absolutely beautiful. So now all we have to do is just paint it. Alright, so at this point I finished painting the shield. I have pieces of paper that cover the white part so I could paint the red cross on it. So now we're going to take it off, then we'll see how it looks. Alright, that looks really nice. I'm pretty impressed. Alright, so right here, I'm going to try and use this leather belt to make a leather strapping kit. I'll have a photo of what I'm trying to replicate in the top right hand of the screen. Alright, so I finished putting in these straps onto the shield. Overall, they're pretty comfortable where they're at. I had to fool around with the screw placement a little bit because you're going to see a hole here, here, and here, but that's fine because it's on the back of the shield, so it doesn't really bother me. But one thing I had to account for, which I really didn't think of until I started using it, was when I have my arm through here, and like this, it really bothers you over a period of several minutes on your knuckles getting up against the wood. So I have my reptilian glove I'm going to use. So it's pretty simple. You just slide your arm through here. And then you just want to get your fingers into here. And you don't necessarily have to grip it because it's already pretty tight. You just lift it like that. See, so like right here I'm gripping it because this is a fairly hard angle to hold it at, but that's that. So overall, that came out pretty nice. So now I'll show you the rest of it, or the finished product. Alright, so here's our finished shield. So overall, this came out really nice. I'm pretty happy with it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe and see more of my content, click right here. If you want to see another video, click right there. Goodbye.